Well, hey guys, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. I am Tom. Come on in. Hey guys, it's Tom here, back in the shop for another video. Just got a real quickie here. So let me change the camera, zoom you down here and show you what we're dealing with. A little better there, get a shot. So this is or was a nice vintage lamp, and this was the top of it. Go like that. Let me bring you so you can see a little bit. So so there's the top of the lamp, and she runs down to the bottom. Wife bought it on eBay for making one of her stained glass lampshades. Unfortunately, the shipper just tossed it in a box like this, and the base is cast and it's heavy, and you can see it broke. This shaft is threaded, and that part broke off. So we're gonna have to take this thing apart and repair it. Hopefully this will come out easy. I was thinking basically what I have to do is make a new threaded coupling nut. But it looks like I've got enough threads still here on this main body. So I think if we just clean this up, we should be able to thread it back into this hole. Gonna have to take this cord out. Look at that baby. How old is this thing? So it probably dates this lamp. Well, I don't know. Is that 40s, 50s plug? So anyways, let me move the camera around a little bit, get situated, and we'll take this thing apart and start seeing how we can do a Bruce Witham, get her out. Alrighty, so the top part, this just screwed off, and we just have a couple wire nuts here. So we take this out, we should be good to go. We can separate this thing. And get this unknotted. I did that so it wouldn't pull through, obviously. Alrighty, let's take this apart. Let's see here, remove you back, get a little better. Alright, there's that piece, and let's see. And go like that. I'm trying to keep everything together here. Get it in frame here. So that went like that. So let me put this stuff right here so I can remember how she's gonna go. Alrighty, that's pretty painless. So we'll just have to clean that thread up here. Looks like maybe a half what do you think? Half 20? I'll go check that real quick, and let's get you back. We'll pull this cord out the base. Alright, let me go spray some WD-40, or actually I probably use ATF and acetone. That seems to work probably a little bit better than anything else. Get it soaking in there and help it out since it looks real dry and rusty in there. Well, this thing is actually 9/16 in diameter, and going through figuring it out. Let's see if you can see that. She lines up. So she's 9/16/18, and I thought I was doing pretty good. Went through my big dies, and these are my coarse, and these are my fine, and 9/16/18 fine should be right here. So I am missing a big die in that size. So I'm gonna have to go order one to fill my collection and probably chase these threads. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the belt sander and clean it up. I do have some thread files that may be enough to get us through on this project, but at least I'll have the dies that I'm missing in my piecemeal collection for you know, next time something like this comes along. So let's take this over to belt sander, clean it up, and put it in a vise and do a thread file and clean those threads up, and we'll see if that's good enough for this thing. So I went digging through my 9/16 bolt bin, and 9/16 fine isn't very common. Of all these, I only found one that I actually have that's a fine thread, a bolt and a nut. So we'll use this to test. And so here's the piece after I ran it on the belt sander, cleaned it up. So it still has that mashed thread right there, but testing the bolt, the nut on it, I mean, she screws right on. Notice the sloppiness in it. So when they cut these threads, they sure didn't want a tight tolerance, that's for sure. So we might not even need to worry about chasing that thread. So let's get that broken piece out of the base, and we'll try it as is. Well, just for fun, we'll try an easy out first. It's been soaking. We'll see, maybe we can get lucky. Let's just give it a shot before we have to try to drill her out. Oh, there you go. We might get lucky. Can you see that? Good. Oh yeah. Nice. Usually easy outs don't work. They just want to break on you. As John Mills says, that's their only purpose in life. But sometimes we can keep Bozo out of the shop. Looks like we did alright today. Sweet. There she is in all her glory. Excellent. Let me get this thing off now. Let's put a little bit of, just a drop of light oil on it. These threads look like they might be able to use a little bit of love. They've never been loved. And cross her fingers, she's going to screw in. Oh yeah. Looks like it got tweaked just a little bit, didn't it, in the shipping. But I think we got us a winner. What do you think, guys? Alright, before I get too snuggy buggy in there, let's go ahead and assemble her. And see if we're good to go. Alright, got her assembled. And see if we can get her to screw in. Tricky part's going to trying to get her snug, because this part rotates. Got a little bit up here I can grab, so I'm going to have to get some needle nose on to work it in. So let's try that. guess it helps you be able to see me. I'm just working on the top here. Don't have much to grab, but do it this way. We walk around because everything on this shaft spins, so there's nothing to grab onto. But this is working pretty good. Oh, almost seated that, looks like. Alright, I think we're there. Let's wire this thing now. Okay, ran the cord through. Got her wired up there. So now, let's get the top on her. Let's get her all sealed up. This part just screws on. Alrighty. And then the shade would go on here, and your nut goes on. And looks like we got us a winner. Sweet. Alright, so just a quick little project, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, I know the wife's gonna be happy. Hey, we'll see you guys. Bye.